Hello children, today's computer class is going to discuss about Introduction to MSW logo, which is present in your book in chapter 6. Already we have spent 2 of the classes to discuss about what is logo, how to open the logo window and what are the buttons present on logo screen. Today we will discuss some of the logo terms which are very common during your work. First thing is, can you see a triangle on the screen? This thing in logo uses cursor for drawing. You know that cursor is very much essential thing in computer work. So logo use the cursor for drawing, and this cursor is actually looks like a triangle, which is called in logo term as turtle. This turtle has 2 parts. The upper word is called head and the down part is called tail. It is basically at first present and the center of the screen, which is called the home position of the screen. This is now present at the center of the screen sitting. Always the head at first position to the upward direction. As you give the command, we can move the turtle towards this drawing area or the main screen, and the picture is going to be drawing on this area. Next is primitive. Whatever the command we will write to this part, to this commander window or command input box, whatever you type or write the commands, those are called primitives. So logo commands are called primitives. Understood? Logo commands are called primitives. When we will enter a set of logo commands that will together makes a logo program. Now the question is how to enter the logo primitives or logo command. Always remember that logo is not case sensitive. That means you can type the commands in capital letter or in small letter, both. So now I think you can understand the logo screen is little bit different from other applications. In other application like MS Paint, MS Word, you have so many toolbars are present there. That means already the predefined tools are there. You have to only click those tools and have to apply. But here logo, whatever you have to do, that has to be done by your own. That means logo needs commands to do the functions or the task. First, we will learn the very basic commands or very basic primitives which is used to draw the logo shapes. How to write the logo commands or logo primitives, that we will learn now. The very basic commands of logo are FD, RT, LT and BK. Why the FD command is used? FD command moves this turtle to the upward direction by drawing a line. BK is just the opposite. It draws the line to the backward direction. RT move this turtle to the right direction as like angle by angle, and LT will move this triangle to the left side by angles. So these things will be more clear when you practice these logo commands. So first I am typing, that is FD. Then the most necessary thing is after typing a command, you need space. Then you need a specific number, that how many steps it just move the turtle. I have given FD. These things are very essential to remember. First the command, then a single space, not double space. Then the number, that means how many steps the logo title will move to forward or backward direction. And at last either press here execute button or press enter from your keyboard. Both work are same. Enter. Now see the screen. The turtle has moved to the forward direction. Then how to change the angle of this turtle either RT or LT. Here I am typing RTC, my recall list box. The thing has gone FD60. Now again the cursor is ready to take the command from me. Next is RT. RT, small or capital, both letters are acceptable. Then always a single space. Then suppose 90. That means my turtle will move or just move to the rightward direction by 90-degree angle. As like previous one, press enter. See, the turtle face has moved to the rightward direction by 90-degree angle. In this way, we will type the commands according to the shape and the shape will be drawn. In the next chapter, how to use the basic commands and draw the shapes in logo, we will learn this. So in this chapter, whatever has given, you learn those things thoroughly, understand, then it will be very easier to you to draw the logo shapes by the commands. So children, today is up to this only. Bye bye for now.